You don't need to type your subtitles manually, like word for word, speech for speech, doing post-productions. You can actually do this automatically inside of Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you how. But first, you need to know that you must be using a recent version of Premiere Pro. I am using Premiere Pro 2022. I think 2021 does it too. Yeah, I'm sure 2021 does the automatic subtitle, and you must have an internet connection. Very important. In fact, very important. And the next thing you need to know about this method is that it is not 100% accurate, but then you can still manually correct the subtitles that Premiere Pro has automatically generated for you. I'm going to show you how right now. So having known this, let's jump straight into Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So inside of Premiere Pro, I have already selected an area I want to subtitle. This is my last video on the Doctor Strange, the third eye effect of Doctor Strange. So I'm going to drag that into my sequence, and I'm going to hit this button right here, and I'm going to click on text, and I'm going to click on create transcription, and I'm going to leave the settings the way it is, and I'm going to click on transcribe and let Premiere Pro do its thing. Good. Now Premiere Pro has generated a subtitle for us. So now we are going to check and see if this is actually correct. Now let's do this.
It's Chris from Craftreactor, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve the third eye effect from the famous movie Doctor Strange.
If you agree with me, this is not 100% correct. It is not 100% correct if you agree with me, but we can manually correct this right now. So let's do it again.
Hi guys, my name is Chris from Craft.
From Craft, but look at what is written here, from We Actually. Very funny, right? So we're going to correct that. So we're going to double click from Craftreactor. So, and I'm going to click out.
Reactor.
Okay, I'm going to delete actually. Okay, and in today's tutorial, but it says and in this story. Come on, it's very funny. And in today's tutorial, so I'm gonna in today's tutorial, tutorial.
I'm going to show you how to achieve the third eye effect.
The third how to achieve the third eye effect. The third eye effect.
The third eye effect from the famous movie.
Effect from the famous movie.
Third eye effect from the famous movie Doctor Strange.
Now Doctor Strange, not was French. This is very funny. So from the famous movie Doctor Strange. So let's go back and check. Now we have finished correcting the video, so let's go back to check.
Hi guys, my name is Chris from Craftreactor, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve the third eye effect from the famous movie Doctor Strange.
Very correct. Now, having done this, the next thing to do is to click on create captions, and then make sure your settings is like this, and then you click on create. It's going to create captions for you, and now you see it. These yellow bars here are actually your subtitle. So let's play.
Hi guys, my name is Chris from Craftreactor, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve the third eye effect from the famous movie.
So guys, this is how to automatically subtitle your videos with ease in Premiere Pro instead of typing it word for word, speech for speech. It's gonna waste a lot of time. You're gonna, in fact, gonna go crazy, especially when you have over 1 hour video to subtitle. So you can do it automatically, and you must have a recent version of Premiere Pro, maybe 2021 or 2022. I'm not sure of 2020. And also you must have an internet connection. You must also realize that this is not 100% correct because your computer is not the same with your brain. Your computer subtitles what it hears. So maybe your intonation may be kind of weird, may not be UK standard or US standard. So you don't have to blame your computer for not correcting it 100%. But the good thing is that you can manually do this after the subtitles have been automatically generated for you in Premiere Pro. So that's it guys in today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs like, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon to get notified each time I post new videos. Never stop creating, keep creating. I'll see you in the next video.